Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power. This avoids short circuits. Once done, detach the battery or unplug the adapter and flip the laptop on a flat, stable surface. Use a plastic pry tool to lift bezel edges. Why plastic? It prevents scratching. Keep screws in a magnetic tray so you don't lose them. Make sure you ground yourself by touching metal. This protects electronics. Now remove visible screws on the keyboard deck to free the top case and expose the keyboard assembly. You'll lift the keyboard module slowly to reveal the ribbon connector underneath. Move deliberately so clips don't snap. Once visible, flip up the small locking clamp and slide the ribbon cable straight out. This prevents bending pins and preserves orientation for reassembly. If the backplate or light diffuser is secured by screws, remove them and set parts aside labeled. Make sure to note how the LED strip sits. You'll remove or disconnect that to stop the backlight. Take a photo before disconnecting for reference. You can now disable the backlight by unplugging the LED ribbon connector or carefully removing the LED strip. If you choose to cut a trace, understand this may void warranty. Once disabled, reseat the keyboard ribbon into its clamp and lower the module back into place. Reinstall screws and snap the bezel on. Before replacing the battery, power on the laptop to confirm the keyboard functions without lighting. If the light persists, check the connector seating. Recheck BIOS lighting settings and reseat cables. This usually fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.